What is Web3 and why is it important? Web3 refers to the next evolution of the World Wide Web, characterized by the integration of decentralized technologies and protocols such as blockchain, decentralized identity, smart contracts, and peer-to-peer networks. It aims to redefine the way we interact with digital services and reshape the Internet as a more open, transparent, and user-centric ecosystem. Web3 is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field that holds immense potential to reshape various aspects of our society and economy. By leveraging decentralization, transparency, and user empowerment, Web3 technologies can pave the way for a more inclusive, resilient, and innovative digital future. In traditional Web 2.0, most online activities are facilitated by centralized intermediaries like social media platforms, search engines, and online marketplaces. These intermediaries have control over user data, content distribution, and the rules of engagement. This centralized model can lead to issues such as data breaches, censorship, lack of privacy, and limited user control. Web3 seeks to address these challenges by leveraging decentralized technologies. Here are some key components and concepts associated with Web3. 1. Blockchain. Web3 utilizes blockchain technology to create a transparent and tamper-resistant digital ledger. It enables decentralized consensus, immutability, and trust among network participants. Blockchain is the foundation for decentralized applications, DApps, and cryptocurrencies. 2. Smart contracts. Web3 introduces smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined rules and conditions. Smart contracts enable automated and trustless interactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries in various transactions, such as financial services, supply chain management, and decentralized governance. 3. Decentralized identity. Web3 promotes the concept of decentralized identity, where individuals have control over their digital identities and personal data. It allows users to manage their identity across multiple platforms without relying on centralized authorities. 4. Interoperability. Web3 aims to enable seamless interoperability between different blockchain networks and DApps. This allows users and developers to leverage the strengths of multiple protocols and facilitates the exchange of assets and data across different platforms. 5. User empowerment. Web3 emphasizes user empowerment and ownership of data. Users have greater control over their digital assets, personal information, and digital footprint. They can participate in decentralized networks, govern protocols, and earn rewards for contributing to the ecosystem. 6. Trust and security. Web3 technologies, such as blockchain, provide enhanced security and trust by utilizing cryptography and decentralized consensus mechanisms. This reduces the risk of fraud, hacking, and data breaches, as the data is distributed across multiple nodes rather than stored in a single central server. 7. Data ownership and privacy. In the current web model, users often surrender their personal data to centralized platforms, which can exploit or mishandle it. Web3 empowers individuals to regain control over their data, allowing them to choose when and how their information is shared. This shift towards user-owned data enhances privacy and reduces the reliance on intermediaries for data protection. 8. Financial inclusion and economic empowerment. Web3 enables financial services and transactions without the need for traditional intermediaries, such as banks. This has the potential to provide financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations, fostering greater financial inclusion globally. Web3 also promotes new economic models, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, which allows individuals to access financial services, earn income, and participate in investment opportunities with fewer barriers. 9. Transparent and auditable systems. With Web3, transactions and activities recorded on the blockchain are transparent and auditable. This fosters greater accountability and trust as anyone can verify the integrity of the data and transactions. This transparency can be particularly valuable in areas such as supply chain management, where stakeholders can track the provenance and authenticity of products. 10. Open collaboration and innovation. Web3 encourages open source collaboration and innovation. Developers can build decentralized applications, DApps, on existing blockchain platforms or create new ones. This fosters a vibrant ecosystem of developers, entrepreneurs, and users who can collaborate, share ideas, and contribute to the advancement of the technology. It promotes an environment of permissionless innovation, where barriers to entry are reduced, and new ideas can flourish. 11. Decentralized governance. Web3 introduces decentralized governance models, where stakeholders can participate in decision-making processes through voting and consensus mechanisms. This enables communities to have a say in the development and evolution of the platforms and protocols they use, reducing the concentration of power in the hands of a few entities. 12. Resilience and anti-censorship. Web3 technologies, being decentralized, make it harder for any single entity to control or censor information. Traditional web platforms can impose restrictions, manipulate content, or shut down services. Web3 promotes a more censorship-resistant environment, where information can be freely shared and accessed, protecting freedom of speech and promoting diverse viewpoints. 13. Tokenization and digital assets. Web3 enables the tokenization of various assets, including digital and physical assets. This allows for the creation of new economic models, such as fractional ownership, where individuals can own a portion of an asset. It also facilitates the creation of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that represent unique digital items, enabling artists, creators, and collectors to monetize and trade digital assets in a secure and transparent manner. 14. Environmental sustainability. Web3 technologies are exploring more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms to address concerns related to the environmental impact of traditional blockchain networks. Efforts are being made to transition from energy-intensive proof of work, POW, to more sustainable consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, POAs, or proof of authority, POA, reducing the carbon footprint associated with blockchain networks. 15. Global collaboration and peer-to-peer networks. Web3 facilitates direct peer-to-peer interactions without the need for intermediaries, enabling individuals from different parts of the world to collaborate, transact, and share value directly. This has the potential to break down traditional barriers, foster cross-border cooperation, and create a more connected and inclusive global community. 16. Digital sovereignty. With Web3, individuals and communities can exert greater control over their digital experiences and interactions. It reduces dependency on centralized platforms and creates opportunities for individuals to shape their online environments according to their values and preferences. 17. Intellectual property and royalties. Web3 introduces innovative mechanisms for content creators to protect their intellectual property and receive fair compensation for their work. Smart contracts can automate royalty payments, ensuring that creators receive their deserved rewards in a transparent and efficient manner. 18. Reducing middleman fees. In traditional centralized models, intermediaries often charge fees for their services. With Web3, the need for intermediaries can be significantly reduced or eliminated, leading to lower transaction costs and fees. This can benefit various industries, including finance, e-commerce, and content distribution, by enabling direct peer-to-peer interactions and transactions. 19. Micropayments and monetization. Web3 enables seamless micropayments, allowing for new monetization models on the internet. With low transaction fees and the ability to transfer small amounts of value, content creators, developers, and service providers can receive fair compensation for their work, even for low-priced digital goods or microservices. This opens up opportunities for new revenue streams and innovative business models. 20. Immutable and permanent records. Web3 technologies, such as blockchain, create an immutable and permanent record of transactions, data, and digital interactions. This can be valuable in areas such as supply chain management, voting systems, intellectual property rights, and historical records, where the integrity and traceability of information are crucial. 21. Enhanced collaboration and sharing economy. Web3 fosters decentralized collaboration and sharing economies. It enables the creation of decentralized marketplaces and platforms where individuals can share resources, offer services, and engage in peer-to-peer transactions without the need for centralized intermediaries. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and a more inclusive economy. 22. Cross-border transactions and global accessibility. Web3 technologies provide a borderless infrastructure for transactions and interactions, overcoming geographical limitations. They enable individuals from different parts of the world to transact, collaborate, and access digital services seamlessly. This global accessibility can facilitate economic empowerment, cross-cultural exchanges, and the democratization of opportunities. 23. Digital identity for the unbanked and undocumented. Web3's decentralized identity solutions have the potential to address identity challenges faced by the unbanked and undocumented populations. By providing self-sovereign identity systems, individuals can establish and control their digital identities, enabling them to access essential services, participate in the economy, and exercise their rights. 24. Enhanced trust and accountability in systems. Web3's transparency and decentralized nature contribute to enhanced trust and accountability in various systems. For instance, in charitable donations, stakeholders can trace the flow of funds, ensuring they reach intended recipients. In voting systems, transparency and verifiability can help establish trust in the integrity of the process. This can have far-reaching implications for governance, social impact initiatives, and public administration. 25. Future innovations. Web3 is an evolving field with ongoing research and development. As the technology matures, new possibilities and innovations are likely to emerge. From decentralized AI and machine learning to new consensus mechanisms and privacy-enhancing technologies, Web3 has the potential to reshape various industries and open up new frontiers of technological advancement. 26. Reshaping digital advertising. Web3 has the potential to revolutionize digital advertising by creating more transparent and fair systems. It enables new models where users have control over their data and can choose to share it with advertisers in exchange for rewards. This shifts the power dynamics from centralized platforms to users, allowing for more targeted and consent-based advertising while preserving privacy. 27. Decentralized storage and content distribution. Web3 introduces decentralized storage and content distribution networks. This enables individuals and organizations to store and distribute data across a network of nodes, rather than relying on a single central server. Decentralized storage ensures data redundancy, increased security, and resistance to censorship or data loss. 28. Internet of Things, IoT, and Web3 integration. Web3 can integrate with the Internet of Things, IoT, enabling secure and decentralized communication and coordination among IoT devices. This can enhance privacy, data integrity, and interoperability in IoT systems, opening up possibilities for innovative applications in areas such as smart homes, energy management, supply chain tracking, and more. 29. Digital governance and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Web3 facilitates the emergence of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, which are self-governing entities built on blockchain technology. DAOs enable collective decision-making, resource allocation, and the creation of decentralized governance structures. They can enhance transparency, fairness, and community participation in decision-making processes, leading to more inclusive and democratic systems. 30. Empowering the unbanked and underprivileged. Web3 has the potential to provide financial services, digital identities, and access to opportunities for individuals who are underserved or excluded from traditional systems. By leveraging Web3 technologies, people in underserved regions or marginalized communities can gain access to banking services, digital assets, and global markets, empowering them economically and socially. 31. Sustainability and green initiatives. Web3 technologies are being developed with a focus on sustainability and reducing energy consumption. Efforts are being made to optimize blockchain networks, transition to more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, and explore alternative solutions to minimize the carbon footprint associated with decentralized technologies. 32. Democratization of innovation. Web3 promotes a culture of open-source collaboration, enabling developers from diverse backgrounds to contribute to the development of decentralized technologies. This democratization of innovation empowers individuals and smaller teams to build and experiment with new applications and services, fostering creativity and accelerating technological progress. 33. Preserving digital rights. Web3 technologies offer opportunities to preserve and protect digital rights, such as privacy, freedom of expression, and intellectual property rights. By utilizing cryptographic techniques and decentralized systems, individuals can have greater control over their digital assets, personal information, and online activities, ensuring their rights are respected. 34. Reducing data monopolies. Web3 challenges the dominance of data monopolies by promoting user-owned data and decentralized platforms. By distributing data across a network of nodes and empowering users to control their data, Web3 reduces the concentration of data in the hands of a few centralized entities. This promotes a more competitive and diverse digital landscape, fostering innovation and preventing undue control over information. 35. Evolution of Internet infrastructure. Web3 represents an evolution in the underlying infrastructure of the Internet. It introduces new protocols, architectures, and technologies that enhance security, privacy, and user agency. This evolution is essential for addressing the challenges and limitations of the current web model and unlocking the full potential of a decentralized and user-centric Internet. 36. Open and interoperable ecosystem. Web3 promotes an open and interoperable ecosystem, where different blockchain networks, protocols, and applications can seamlessly communicate and interact with each other. This interoperability encourages collaboration, cross-chain asset transfers, and the development of cross-platform applications, unlocking new synergies and possibilities. 37. Reinventing digital marketplaces. Web3 disrupts traditional centralized marketplaces by enabling decentralized alternatives. It empowers individuals to directly transact with each other, removing the need for intermediaries that often charge high fees and control the rules of engagement. Web3-based decentralized marketplaces can foster peer-to-peer commerce, improve efficiency, and provide fairer economic opportunities for buyers and sellers. 38. Enhanced data integrity and auditability. Web3's use of blockchain technology ensures the immutability and integrity of data. This can be particularly valuable in industries that require trustworthy records and audits, such as financial services, supply chain management, intellectual property, and healthcare. Web3's tamper-resistant nature provides a reliable and verifiable source of truth for critical data and transactions. 39. Empowering developers and creators. Web3 offers new avenues for developers and creators to monetize their skills, creations, and contributions. Through tokenization, smart contracts, and decentralized platforms, developers can be rewarded directly for their work, such as creating applications, contributing to protocols, or providing services. This empowers individuals to participate more equitably in the digital economy. 40. Reshaping social media and content platforms. Web3 challenges the centralized control of social media and content platforms by enabling decentralized alternatives. It offers opportunities to create censorship-resistant platforms, where users have greater control over their data and content. Web3-based platforms can incentivize quality content, reward creators fairly, and promote healthy and inclusive online communities. In next video, we will discuss more about Web3. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.